What is good, everyone? I'm showing you guys a spinning mop. How to install. This is our box. Doing unboxing and installation, and I'll teach you how to use it too. So just first thing, open up the box. There's a nice blue mop right here. You got the pole right here. Nothing else. Pole, instruction, the mop thingy, and 2 mop heads. So with the instructions, it's kind of tough to read, so forget about it, man. I'll teach you how to do it the easy way. Alright, you're gonna get 2 poles like this. One is a top, one is a bottom. And the first thing you do is connect the pole. So on the bottom, you'll see a long screw for one of them, and then a female one for the second one. So just press hard and twist, and it should, yep, there it goes. Alright, so this one's done. The second one is a mop head. It's out of here. And you just snap it on. It's pretty easy. And the second part is twist off the cap on the mop head. Then we just put it right here on the pole. Put it back in. Push down and twist. And that's about it. No need to read instructions. Alright, so to use a mop, you'll see loose and tight. So just loosen it up. And then when it loosens up, it just spins by itself. The mop pole should fall on the mop head. So let's pretend that it's full of water. To use it, you'll need to just make sure it's vertical. The mop head is vertical, so can't really see. You could bend it to 90-degree angles, but to rinse it, you'll put it on vertical, and you just spin, push down on the pole, and it'll spin by itself. It'll look better with water. Since it's dry, it kind of looks weird. So this is to dry the mop, and then when it has water, you just put it in here to rinse. In here. And to wipe the floor, we're gonna just go like this until it's all done. Alright? I don't really do this myself because I haven't made at my house, but yeah, supposedly this is how you clean floors, okay? Alright, that's it. If you want to buy this, we have a link in the description below. Thank you.